AB61. Oh, sorry, this is not a complete. J700. So I'm picking up one document, execute. Set controlling area. See, always there will be someone else controlling a set. Make sure you go to extras, set the controlling area. Execute. So how much is the line item? 1000. Double click on this. This is available in production department 1. So I'm transferring 100 to production department 2. Manual. Enter. Assign number ranges RKU3. Again go back. KANK. Transaction code. Number ranges. RKU3. Double element for allocation. Save it. So it gets allocated below. Yeah. Back. Continue. So I am allocating for 100. I have already done. So now if you want to post, you can go ahead and save this 100. If you want to post for another department, you can keep on going like this. Okay. Hello?
Yes.
We'll do it again. 61. Based on the line item, document number wise. I want to post 100 to production department 2. Okay, I'll save it. The only disadvantages about this reposting is if you want to repost again, see, you cannot. Once done, over, line item wise. It will not allow you to do it the next time. Okay.
Hey, which document you took here? 53 was a document that you created in
Starting, man, in the initial stages we created 1000 we posted, right?
F-02. That's what
Yeah,
document was.
yeah, document wise. So that document, no, you get two document numbers. If you are saying it was showing document number 1 at over here, but it is document number 53 for FI side.
Yeah, that's what 53 only I'm asking.
Yeah, so that line item wise if I am posting means the only disadvantage of a line item wise is that you cannot post the second time. Okay, once done, over. Will not allow you to do the reposting again.
So this document 53 was the one that you had posted something earlier once, like when you created for the first time. Now
Yeah,
you just
when
changed
we posted an entry, right? 1000. That.
Okay. And now you just changed the allocation there, like whatever the cost center was, you just changed that.
Line item wise,
right?
simple line item wise. Understand that way. Each line item wise I am posting. Earlier we were posting based on the cost center. Remember cost element I used to pick up 406,000, pick up from there to here. Based on the combination of the cost center and the cost element, and then we used to transfer. Now this is line item wise, simple, item wise. Okay, next. Important topic. Internal order. Okay. What is this internal order? Internal order is used for two purposes. One is for reporting and for collection of cost for over a period. Okay. Okay, we'll come back to collection of costs for over a period after we finished with the reporting. Okay, first I'll take the reporting side. So internal order of two types. One is statistical. Pay your attention. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yeah, it just went blank for a while.
Real.
Not.
Yeah. Statistical and real. It is only through statistical you can use it for reporting purpose. Statistical. And you cannot do the settlement over here. Okay, what do I mean settlement? I'll show you. In case of a real, you can not only use for reporting, but also you can use it for your settlement. F2, no settlement. Let us take an example of reporting part. Okay. Example on the reporting side. I have a telephone expense, for example. Okay. Hello. I might be having a number of telephones, right? Hello.
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose there are three. Three are there. Okay, some 7, 8, 9, or something like this. Okay, three numbers. So you got the billing, suppose let's say 5,000, 6,000 and 5,000. So totally 16,000, right? How do you make an entry, man? Karthik?
Telephone debit to bank.
Telephone debit to bank. What is the amount you enter here?
I mean, for each of these different 5,000, 6,000.
You will enter so many times, you keep on entering, huh? If their department is having 10 lines, if they are getting 10 numbers, so you enter 10 times, huh? If they are having 100 lines, 100 times you will enter.
No, line item wise you will enter. No? Every time you will put the cost element or whatever.
No. I am talking from the domain side, man. How do you enter this?
Yeah,
Once
at a time
created.
we enter.
Huh?
16,000.
This is the way you enter, right?
Yeah.
Or do you enter 100 telephone numbers means 100 times you will enter in the journal entries?
No. Once.
Right, total cost you will enter, right? So like this was for the January month. Then you will have it for the February month. You will have it for the March month. You will have it for the April month. Like this you will keep on having, right? Some expenses like this. Hello?
Yeah.
So like this, 6,000, some amounts, 4,000, 2,000, 12,000. Like this, just keep on entering some costs. Suddenly one day the manager come back and says, okay, can you give me an exact expenses that have been incurred for the month of February? Okay. Now this was again telephone to bank. Okay. Comes back and says, please let me know. Through this journal entry, can you give him? Seeing this journal entry?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, for February month only if the amount has to be given, you can, right? Posting date will be February. Posting date will be February.
No man, specific telephone expense I'm saying, number 6789 number I want.
No.
Specific telephone number.
No, not for number. You said month, so I said yeah, but number.
No, specific telephone number expenses for a particular month.
No.
You are able to get my
Yes.
Yeah.
Mario. Okay.
Uh, the
Yeah, who
due
was
entry
that?
must be separate.
Huh? So you will enter 100 numbers means 100 times you will keep on entering, huh?
No, due entry should be separate. Due entry means this the
I'm not
addition
talking
should be in
about
the.
due. I'm not talking about due. I am saying a manager or whoever might be, he comes back and says, please show me what are the expenses that have been incurred for telephone number 6789 for a particular month, February.
Mm.
Audio connection going, coming, going, coming. You able to hear me?
Yeah.
Hello? Okay.
Yeah.
That is not possible, right? So
No.
that kind of a reporting, once you want, we go ahead with a internal order. So each telephone number over here will be considered as an order. Getting my point? Order. Hello?
Mm.
Order. Okay. Clear? Okay. Exactly, they take a very classical example on internal order is your marketing department expenses. Okay. Hello. Or let's say a marketing department, or maybe you have set up an exhibition. Okay, a stall. So what will happen? Once you key in those expenses to this marketing department, you will key in as a whole, right? Whatever expenses, stall expenses, lighting, okay, all that you do, tent, you keep all those, right? Samples you give, all those things as a collective, you give it, right, to this department. Expenses, when
Yeah.
you're setting up an exhibition stall or whatever it is. So what will happen, end of the day, if he comes back and says, I want to have a segregate expenses list, that is not possible at a cost center level also. It is only possible through an order level.
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So that is what I try to achieve now. Let us see this. First part. Clear with what I'm trying to achieve?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I go to the internal order. First, define order type. How do you create this internal order? This internal order type is based on your order category. New entry is here, order category. So your order type is created based on order category. These categories are standards. You cannot create your own. Standard. Okay. So which is the one which you are using? Internal order, right? See here. Right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Continue. So let's say I'll create one order as J700, which this order type I'll use it only for, let's say, for reporting purpose only. For reporting purpose, I'm creating this order type. Okay. All this will look later on. Okay. All this. So this is a cost. This for reporting we use this for it cost. Okay. I'll show you what is this release immediately means. This is for archiving. Okay, for deletion part. Whatever you can put. I'm trying to
What
save
is
this
the
now.
what
You're
are the
deleting.
values? Or
Huh?
object class? Object class. What?
We use it for reporting purpose. If you want to report as what? Overhead cost, production cost, or what?
Okay.
Reporting at the time of execution. I'll save it.
And all the others, the control indicator, semi.
We'll
active or
look into
whatever.
it. We'll come back.
Okay.
Hello. All this we need to look into it, man. Budgeting and all that. Okay. Okay. Now either you create these number ranges through a there is a transaction code, or either you can create from here. See, I'm creating it. Okay. Now this is the order type, right? Need to be assigned to a number ranges. These are non-assigned elements. I need to assign it somewhere. Okay, if you want, you can create your own number ranges, or you can assign to an existing one. Okay, I'll assign it to this range. Okay, hello,
Yeah.
under this development range, or you can create your own. So keep the cursor element. So we are set for development, right? This range.
Yeah.
Double click. So it will fall on the dart. I'll save it. Back. So order type is created, right? Number range is also created. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and create the order. Internal order, master data, special function, order here. I'm creating an order, front end. Creation of internal order master data created based on order type. Okay, here what my order type? J700, right? Enter. This order I'm creating for, let's say, for telephone number 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, business area J700. Okay, now I was talking about statistical, right? We use only for reporting purpose, right? Statistical orders, right? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So what I'll do is, for the statistical orders, how do we know that order is a statistical? Here we select statistical. Can you see here? This one. Here in the control data we select this as a statistical order. Okay. Now what is the system status says here? Created. Can you see here? Hello? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'll save it. Okay. I'll go to the change mode. I'll come back to this control data. Now what it is in created status, right? This one? Okay, back. I'll go back to that order type what I have created. Position J700, enter. Can you see your release immediately? Hello? I'll select this. I'll save it. Okay, back. I'll come back. Now I'm creating an order. See, one more order I'll create. J700. This is for telephone number 6 now. So I'll create it 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, like this. Now what's this? Control data. See here. What it says now, status?
Released.
Now you understood the significance of the checkbox? Hello?
Yeah.
So the moment I select there, it is showing at release. I'll tell you the importance of created and release, all that. But the moment I checking there over there as a release, it is showing the system status as release over here. Okay. I'll select this. Statistical order. I'll save it. This is a statistical order. I save it. Here? Till here. So I just created 2 telephone numbers with 2 order numbers. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and do some postings to this. I'll post expenses. But do we have telephone when?
No.
Telephone. Yeah, we have.
We have. Yeah.
Slash and f-02. See here. So I'm posting here. 01/01/2014. 01/01/2014. Here I'm saying, see here, telephone expenses. $407,000. Enter. Enter. So this telephone expenses, I'm saying how much? Let's say 45,000 will be more, right?
3,000.
6,000. To what cost center? Production department 1. Okay. So which telephone number this belongs to? This belongs to telephone number 123456. Okay. Again I say 40. See here. Again I say 407,000. Same GL account. I'm not changing. Hello.
Yeah.
Enter. What it says below?
Activate order management in controlling area.
Where do we do this? Huh?
That release only, it's not released, right?
Not release only, man. Master, your org unit level. OKKP.
Okay.
Yeah.
He said whenever there's an error, we'll come back and activate, right?
Yeah, right.
Order management. Active. Need to do it again.
If 43 you went to.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you can post on order perspective. 7,000. 6,000. Production department 1. This expenses belongs to telephone expenses of this production department. Again I say 40. Same GL account. Enter. What it says?
FI postings are not allowed.
Why? Why it is not allowed for this particular order? But if you take to the second order, let us see whether it will allow. See for this order 20. Let's see for 20 will it allow. See 20. Enter. It is allowing. See. Why?
That release immediately option.
That was in created status. So now you understood the significance of that. Huh?
Yeah.
So you need
to
to
click release
over there. So if you select there, automatically it will come into a release status. It was 19, right? See here. So I click on this release. So now you can post. Okay. If you say it is technically complete means techo means it's gone. It closed. This order is closed. You close it this way.
Okay.
You cannot post anything. Okay. So I keep it as a release. Now I should be able to post, right?
Yeah.
7,000. So the same department, see production department 1. Now order will change, right?
Yeah.
50 to the bank. Enter. Star.
6,000.
Bank no man. Why 6,000 again?
You put
13,000.
7. Okay.
Huh?
Oh, you're putting 2. Right. Okay, fine.
2, no? I'll save it. Post it. Now let us see first cost center report.
But here also I'm putting for each, no? Each number.
You are putting for each number, but if you go and look at the 407,000, let me show you. Can you evaluate from here? See, Total 13,000 direct. There is no separate. Correct? Hello?
Yeah.
Cost center level also not possible. Okay, you are asking GL level. FS10N. 407,000. Can it possible?
No.
See? Karthik,
Yeah.
clear now? Now, I'll go back to that order. Information, reports here. So this report I added over here. Okay?
Okay.
So, I'll execute. What man? Again these people have given to that guy. Or a baapre. 1, 2. BWB I guess. Yesterday at least there was a single guy. Now today there are 2 BI. Let's finish this one. Clear? Total 13,000? Hello? Now you want to look for a specific telephone number. See? 7,000. Specific telephone number 6,000. It is just for reporting criteria. Karthik.
Yeah. I mean, effort wise it is still going to be the same. We have to put each and every line item. But report wise, this is...
No, effort wise is there, but you're not thinking from the perspective of how many GL accounts you need to create. Under a single GL account only you're posting.
True. That is fine.
You're looking from the perspective, you look from the perspective of how does it look if you create 100 telephone GL accounts then. Look from that perspective.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now let us look at you can do the grouping also. Like how we have done cost element grouping, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Same thing you can do the grouping. Internal order. Yeah. KOH1 you can create like J700 underscore ORD. Order group. Like you can do the grouping. Same level. Sorry. Lower level. Here you will record all your telephone expenses, right? You said telephone grouping. Keep the cursor, same level. Marketing. All your marketing expenses you will group it here. Okay. Since I have telephone, I'll give the order here. I can give that range, whatever range I have. Here. See, right?
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah.
320 like this. So I can check at this level, at this an individual level.
Mm.
Grouping also you can do. Clear? Okay. Now I'm coming back to this another scenario of the settlement side.
If manager wants this report to means to verify or something, then we can download these reports to Excel.
Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, you can, no? See here. But it's taking a lot of time, man, for execution. Again, these people have given to the BI. The system is crying.
So
It is not able
for these reports, Kadir, the T codes are this only the big one, the S underscore AL are.
Yes. There will be always a huge hue and cry on the reports, man. On the reporting side, SAP is not that good. I mean to say, people like more kind of a flashy kind of a reports, right?
Mm.
So they will use some other resources, or he says this font is so small, I want big size. This is looking very weird. I want this to be seen in a very different way. What is this? The font is looking so different.
Is
They're all
BI used for that?
that reporting only, but that is where this is taking so much of time na, in the ECC. So what they did is above ECC they have kept this BI. Okay. So all the chunk of the data will be put in BI and the execution will be faster compared to this how we are sitting right over here. Imagine for one transaction it is taking so much of time. Okay. A company which is into billions of dollars, imagine the chunk of the data that they need to pull in for reporting. So this BI does that part of, it will do a faster execution.
Okay.
It's all reporting, BI one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, brother?
Yeah.
Okay. You go here, reports, send, and this is, not this one, sorry.
Edit, maybe edit.
Local file. Okay. Here. Move to a spreadsheet. Save it on the desktop. Desktop. Save. Generate. Hello. Let me see. Where is the spreadsheet gone, man?
It said dot txt.
You have mentioned text.
Okay.
Excellent.
Let me remove this. No, I hope I got this. See here.
It's opening.
Here. Got it? In the Excel. If you have a bigger report, you get it properly. Then you need to properly sit and do this. This one. Okay.
So nobody must be using these reports, ma'am.
They will be using, but mostly what will happen is they sit and design with an ABAP man, most of the reports.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's come back to another one, settlement part. Scenario is something like this. There is a vehicle, okay? Hello?
Yeah.
What are the expenses when the vehicle is being used? You need to spend on diesel, right?
Repair and maintenance.
Good. Repair and maintenance. Salary of the driver, right?
Yeah.
That's it, right? And what else? Insurance also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, enough. Whatever it is. These are the expenses. Okay. Now let's say there was an expense of 5,000, 2,000, 6,000, 2,000. Total is how much? 15,000. This vehicle is being used by production department 1, production department 2. Both the people are using. Okay? Both the cost centers. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do I book this cost now? Is it right that I should book this cost entire 15,000 to production department 1
No.
or production department 2? What do you recommend? How should I book this?
50-50 to both the production department.
Whatever way. If you say 50-50, I say 50% to this, 50% to this. Getting this, Karthik?
Yeah.
As she said, I want to book 50% for this and 50% for this. It is nothing but 7,500. 7,500. But when can I book this 7,500 and 7,500? Karthik? Only in the month end, right?
Yeah.
I'll come to know the cost only in the month end, right? Maybe more diesel will be used in between. I just put one date. Okay. So this vehicle will be treated as one order, which is a real order. We do not select there as statistical. And we accumulate this cost, the entire cost, over a period of time under this order. And then finally in the month end we settle it as per whatever she said, 50%, 50%. Clear concept, not clear?
So if you had created like statistical, then every time it occurs you can give 50-50, no, whatever is I mean on a daily basis.
Statistical you cannot do settlement. Not possible. Only in
Settlement
the
means
real
you cannot divide the money. Sorry.
No,
Settlement.
you cannot do it.
Okay.
It is only reporting, no? That order whatever I am taking. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Tell me why you cannot book? Because if you remember what I was doing in F-02, I was posting to a cost center, I was posting to order, right?
Yeah.
To the order it was posting as a statistical in nature, but for the cost center it was posting as a real. But here the order is real. Okay. And when I'm distributing, it is also posting to the cost center which is real, right? Getting my point? At the same time, if the order is real, at the same time I cannot post to the real cost objects, two real cost objects. Hello? See, I posted to a cost center, I posted to a order which is statistical. Right? Just now I posted, right? This is what possible. This scenario, right? Cost center and order is real. Not possible. Wrong this is.
Okay. Both real and not possible.
Not clear? The cost is getting booked twice then. Don't you think so? This 15,000 you are already booking it. Our example. And again you are booking this 15,000 also, right? Twice, na then? Don't you think? Hello?
Yeah.
It's wrong, no? Booking twice. This is just for information sake. This is just for information. For our, it is only for reporting sake it is taking once I select that. This order I use it for settlement. Jayaprada.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Clear?
just as in, I mean, in this scenario, are you saying that while booking this vehicle expenses, all these expenses, we don't know what the split is going to be? Is that a fair statement? Like at the time of booking, we don't know what is going to be the split. Like 50-50 here you have put already for between production.
You can decide. You can decide this 50-50, 40-60, whatever it is. You can decide on this.
No. But the reason for us putting it into real order, is it because we don't know at that time what the split is going to? I mean, I'm not able to understand the purpose of real order.
Yeah. No, the purpose of the real order is, as you said, the point number one, you are not able to split. That question is, if you put it this way, the phrase will be better. If you put it this way, saying that that particular cost, whatever that cost, this vehicle, that cost is being collected over a period of time. Over a period of time. Okay. If you say because of the split means, then directly you can post to the cost center. Then what is the purpose of the order?
Yeah, exactly. That is
You
okay.
can
If
post
I know
it. But
50%,
here, not for the purpose of the split. You should put this way. You should say this way. I am collecting the cost over a period of time. Then I am doing the split.
okay.
Clear now? This is the important part. Can I book to a cost center and a real order? No. Why? Because if you book it to the real order and the cost center, then you are booking it twice. That is wrong. Okay?
How are you booking it twice? Like order is different, cost center is different.
No, but what will happen? You have already booked in this order, right? 15,000. Then you are booking it over here 15,000, right? Twice. When you are doing through F-02, you go through F-02 and you are saying cost center and order, both if you are giving. This getting booked twice, right? See? So what will happen? At the time of the settlement, again you will send here 15,000. So it is becoming twice, no then? Hello?
Okay, order. Okay.
Okay,
like,
hold on. Leave this for a while. I'll just book, then you will get a clarity. Okay?
Right. Okay.
So let us create one more order type. This order type, I'll use it for 01 J701. I'll use this order type for settlement, right? Vehicle settlement. Okay, we need to create a settlement profile for this. Okay, I'll go ahead and create. So automatically it will come and update here. Huh?
What is this residence type?
Archiving.
This is
means after 3
archiving,
months,
deleting.
we won't be able
After
to see
3
this
months?
report.
Huh?
After 3 months, this will be automatically deleted.
Not automatically deleted. There will be a separate topic on archiving actually. Okay, where you know the data keeps on increasing now on the database. They'll go ahead and delete it. So you're keeping a time frame for that, for the deletion of this.
Okay.
So we won't be able to see this report then after 3 months, or?
No, you won't be able to see this master data at all. They'll delete this.
Acha, master data.
Okay, now this is for the vehicle. I'm using it over here. I save it. Back. Okay. Let me see first. Let me check all the GL accounts do I have. Right?
Yeah.
I need to have those now, all those.
Diesel is there.
Diesel we have. Salaries we have. Driver salary we have. Diesel we have. Repairs and maintenance we don't have, right?
We don't have vehicle also.
Yeah? Why do we need vehicle?
Okay.
So I'll give it over here. 6004. Copy. So here I say repair and maintenance. Okay, I save it. Edit, cost element, save it. What else we need? Everything is there. Insurance is there.
No, insurance is not there.
Okay, I'll put it under this 7005. Insurance. Save it. Okay. Should we create a group for this? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Vehicle.
I'll show you creation from there. Hold on. The other way also I'll show you. This way I've shown you, right? I'll show you from there. Okay. Let's see, can I do create or not? I'm coming to this. Actual postings, settlement. Maintain allocation structure. Your settlement profile consists of an allocation structure. Here. In the allocation structure, you will have an assignment. In the assignment, you will decide what are the expenses that you are taking over there. To that assignment, you will have the source from where you are getting those expenses like salaries and all those things. See, new entries, it's like a variant allocation structure. See here. I'll say J7 as my allocation structure. Okay. Hello. Select this. My allocation structure consists of assignments. Note it down, whatever I'm saying. Allocation structure consists of an assignments. In the assignment I'm saying here, see, 0, 1. Okay, do you want to give all individual expenses like this? Whatever we have decided over here, see here. All this. Or you want to group it under 1, like this. Like for example, 0, 1 assignment, only 1, all vehicle expenses. Or you want to keep it separate like this. Hello?
Yeah.
Karthik, getting this? Or you want to give like this and say only 1, all the vehicle expenses. Getting my point? Or you want to keep all separate like this. Getting this? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Your assignments consist of cost elements. 0, 1. Like this, source. So then you need to give individual like this. Hello?
Yeah.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is, I'm doing all this. I'll give only 1, 0, 1, which are all my
Okay.
vehicle expenses.
Expenses.
Okay. Zero, 1, vehicle expenses. Select this, source. So these cost elements I need to give range, right? See? So how can I give the range? Diesel is one range, one element, right? See here.
Yeah.
Am I right? Diesel is what? 406,002, right?
Yeah, you won't be able to give range, right?
Repair and maintenance, see, 6004. Driver salary 707003. Hey, you're getting this, what I'm trying to achieve.
Hmm.
Huh?
Yeah, you
That's
create
Now I cannot give
7005.
range, right? Difficult. So what I'll do is, I'll create a group here. Extras here. I was creating from there, right? Just now I shown you, right? Earlier, see here, I'm going to here, change. Okay. So let's say I want to create a group by name, vehicle expense. Okay. Enter. Do you want to create? Yes. It's not taking long, but okay, I say here vehicle expense. Here I'll say cost elements. Copy.
This is 407 7005.
Which one?
Last one.
Insurance, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you understood the importance of this cost element group here. Okay. I'll save it. Back. So instead of giving that, I'll give here. Clear? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this expenses we are transferring from one cost object to another cost object, right? From order to cost center, right? As she was telling that this should carry 50% here, right? Hello, there should be some carrier to it, right? Again, am I right?
Yeah.
So I go to here, this settlement cost element. New entries. Who is the receiver? You said? Hello?
Production.
This is the sender. Order is the sender, right?
Yeah.
Receiver of both department 1 and 2, right?
These are called as what?
Cost centers.
Cost centers. So is my receiver, cost center. Here I'll say cost center. If you select by cost element, what will happen? If you use your settlement cost element, what will happen? We will see. Okay, this is internal, right? Hello? Internal, within the cost objects you are doing, right? Internal settlement. So I'll go ahead and create one slash and secondary cost element K06. It's 921,000. This is for internal settlement. Okay. Hello. Carrier man, like how we have used for assessment. Right. See, internal settlement category. I'll save it. So I'll use here 921,000. Okay. I want to show you the difference between this by cost element, this 921,000. Okay. At the time of saving, I'll show you. I'm saving it. Back. So repeat, what did I say?
Use assessment cost here. So assignments under assignments.
No. This is different, man. You don't come back to this. Settlement. Okay, these two. Okay. Forget about this. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. So repeat, if they ask you, define settlement, how does the settlement profile is defined? You will say your settlement consists of an allocation structure which consists of an assignments. Assignments are consist of cost elements, right? Allocation structure, assignment. Assignment consists of cost elements. Hello. Okay, these assignments are again, whatever the assignments is there, it is assigned to a settlement cost element. Okay. Now I'm defining a settlement profile. This one. First I define the allocation structure. Now I'm defining the settlement profile here. new entries. My settlement profile, let's say J700. This I'm doing a settlement to a cost center, right? This I'm using it for cost center, right?
Yeah.
Okay. To be settled in full, we need to get in our allocation structure J7, right? Here.
Yeah.
100% validation means whatever the 16,000 is there, right? This 15,000 is there, right? This cost. Unless and until you do not settle entire 7,500, that is 15,000, it will not allow you to settle. This means 100% validation means. Clear or not clear?
Yeah.
By any chance, if you give the percentage like this, 40%, 50%, this means how much? 90.
90.
It will not allow you. It will throw an error saying that make sure it is 100%. Okay. If you select this, if you select this, percentage base means you are selecting based on this percentages, 50%, 50%. If you select equivalence number wise means, remember we have checked in account assignment model, right? 50%, 40%. Remember? Hello? 50. Like this we used to give, not percentages, equivalence numbers wise, 10, 20, that way. This is amount wise. Anyways, you are settling it to whom? Who is the receiver?
Cost center.
Cost center.
Select here. Cost center. It can be your GL. It can be your order. Whatever it can be. Hello? Okay, I'm just showing you. So in our case it is cost center, right? Here. So just give here. This is just in case of a GL we give this. Document type SA. Maximum number of distributions. Like how many are there over here? 1 and 2, right?
2.
So you give how many will be there. This is again for archiving, whatever it is. Save it. Back. This settlement profile, whatever you are seeing this, okay, here maintain settlement profile, then maintain number ranges here for the settlement document. J700, right? See here. Okay. I'll try to assign it over here in the standard. Okay. Hello. Save it. So here I have assigned it. Here. Under the standard account. So after creating this settlement, I need to assign it to where? To my order type, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Here. You are asking now what all these are there. Remember over here. Here. Not here, sorry. Here. Right?
Yeah.
Either you assign it here or either you assign it over there. I'll show you from where you can do it. Save it. Once you are creating a settlement profile here, see here, right? Can you see here? Okay. If you do it here, it will automatically go and sit in the order type. Here we already did it. Here.
701, right?
Yeah. Did it now? Just now. From here also you can do it. Okay. Done. So settlement profile is done. We have maintained the number ranges. And also we have assigned the settlement profile to order type, right? Now I'll run the scenario. I'll start booking the expenses. Okay, what's the dates? So what all expenses I need to book? I'll do one thing.
Requirement.
Slash and FB50 I'll use.
50. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
So I'll pick up all these expenses.
Mm.
I'll give it here. See. Okay. All this is debit, right?
Mm.
Expenses. 2 series is my bank.
Mm.
Credit.
Credit.
So what is the amount we said? This is the amount. $15,000.
Mm.
I have to assign the order, right?
Mm.
Here is my order. So I have to assign my order for all like this, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is J701, right? Different order type. We have not yet created. See, did we create? Master data, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
We have created just the order type, right?
We created an SPR only.
Ah, KO01. So based on my order type J701, I'll create a order. Okay.
Mm.
So do I need to select statistical for this?
No.
No.
No. So I need to go to the settlement rule. So who is my receiver? Cost center.
Mm.
Which cost center we said?
Production.
Department 1.
Mm.
Cost center. Next is what?
Department 2.
2. Okay. How much percentage she said? 50-50, right? You said?
Mm. Mm.
Or do you want to do based on equivalence, based on the amount? Remember?
Mm.
Hmm.
Here you can change as per your requirement, whatever it is. I save it now. Created. This is the order. Right?
Mm.
Come back. So I'll give this order. Can I give cost center also?
No.
Now you understood? Karthik?
No, so in this case, you again in the order you already decided that the allocation is going to be 50-50, right?
50
Settlement rule.
Right now I'm only accumulating, like you said, collecting the cost over a period of time.
Yeah,
So right
today
now,
I'll collect
yes.
15,000. Tomorrow there might be some more cost. Day after tomorrow there might be some more cost, some more cost, some more cost. I will be accumulating in that.
Right. But if I know at the order level only that the division is going to be 50-50, then why not take it to statistical straight away? Right? Why are we going the settlement
In
way?
statistical you cannot do settlement.
Yeah, but settlement I'm doing only to post it to the cost center, right? As in to settle them
You are
to a cost
confused
center.
between statistical. Statistical is only for reporting and nothing else.
Yeah, but here
Nothing
also
else.
our function is to report only finally, right? I mean,
No,
I'm
no,
going to
no,
put it-
no.
No, no, no.
Here I am collecting the cost. There I am not collecting. I am just for the reporting sake I am using.
No. I understand your point. I'm saying here you are not giving cost center, you are giving order number, and finally you will settle it so that it reflects under that cost center. 50-50 division happens. Okay. But I'm saying if I know that my division is 50-50, then I'll straight away when I'm putting the entry, I'll put the cost center only because I know how I'm going to divide it. Like instead of like when I have 5,000, then I'll put 25 there, 25 here, like that. I know
But
what
are
you're
you
trying to
sure?
do.
But are you sure on that given day, whenever that cost is getting incurred, whatever the cost you're saying, that you are saying today the cost is 5,000, so 2,500 for production department 1, 2,500 for production department 2. So directly you want to key in, you're saying?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just arguing over.
No, I got your point. Let me give you a clarity. You are saying this instead of booking to the order, directly I'll give here 2,500, right? Directly I'll give 2,500. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Then directly you will give 2,600. Directly you give 2,600. This in case of 50%. What in case of 70-30? Again, you will directly calculate and keep on giving manually every day. You will keep on doing this way.
Yeah, I mean, if it is decided how much I'm going to divide,
and you want to key in on a regular basis, on a daily basis, there will be around hundreds of expenses onto that order. So you'll keep on keying on an everyday basis that way.
so or you are saying that we'll create order for 70-30 separately or whatever. I mean, right now also I'm keying in only, no?
No, but keying in where? I'm not keying in anything over there. Hello. You got my point? I'm not keying in, no man, over there. Am I keying in? I'm collecting in order. A huge chunk of expenses I'm collecting over there. Later on, I'm distributing it. You are telling instead of collecting as an order, straight away I'll distribute to the cost centers you're saying. Am I right? But my question is, that is not possible, Karthik, in a real time. You're just seeing here 3, 4, 5 expenses over here. Okay, the ratio might change. It is very difficult to calculate. Hello. In this case, what about in case of an AUC when the asset is under construction, which I'll take it the next scenario? Okay. It's very difficult what you're saying, that manual intervention. Okay.
Okay, so within the same entry, now I can put different orders as well, right? If I want to, like if I want 70-30 allocation and 50-50 in one case, 70-30 in other case, I can do that.
Yeah,
also,
yeah,
right?
you can use, but that order should have a settlement profile.
Yeah, of course. Right. Company code.
It's not possible what you're saying. Manually you will key in every time you will come, you will divide the expenses.
The settlement rule can be changed from month to month, right? Means in the month of February.
I'll show you where you can change. I'll show you. In the front end you can change.
Okay.
For the bank, it will ask for the value that. Let it ask. Okay, I'm saving it. Okay, document 57 was posted. Okay.
Right.
Now let us check the order report. So what will happen once I do the settlement? This order should become 0, right? Because I'm transferring the cost, right?
Yes, yes.
J701. See, this is 15,000. So this should get 0 once I transfer it to my cost centers. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, back. Now I'm doing the settlement. Periodic. Settlement KO88 here. This is my order, right? Which I'm trying to settle. Jai brother, you want to change the settlement rule, you said, right? See here. This one. Hello?
Yeah.
Here.
It is not in display mode.
I think you need to change it at the order level. / and KO 01 na, KO02. Here you can change it. Order level. Hello. Karthik, order level you can change it.
Okay.
I'm entering. I'm executing in a test run. See here. I hope you remember in the settlement where we are doing allocation structure, source and settlement, where I've selected as a secondary cost element, right? Remember?
Yeah.
I'm executing. See now here. See. Who's my sender?
Order, internal order.
Internal order. Who is my receivers?
Cost centers.
So cost centers are receivers. See here. I'm clicking on the receiver side. See here. Okay. So when it is receiver is this, what will happen? It will go based on that cost element wise, secondary cost element. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll change that. Watch this now. What will happen? Sure. J7, right? Yeah. This I'm removing this. See, I'm using this by cost element. I'll save it. Okay. The only thing is this is for reporting. Okay. Otherwise it will come under single. Now you watch this. If I do the settlement. Got it? Element wise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Not in the chunk. 7,500. It is showing you how it is distributing. From where it is coming. Receiver side. Clear?
Yeah.
Difference between the both.
So it won't use carrier, right? In this case, it is like assessment.
Tell me who is the carrier now?
Cost
In
element becomes
assessment
the
you had
carrier.
the secondary cost element. In the distribution you had cost element. Now cost element
Right,
itself
right.
is your carrier. Okay.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like
Yeah.
we did yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Correct. Uncheck this test run, execute in the real run. Whichever way, man, you can have it. Okay. It is throwing a short dump. Good. It's a number range problem. K OA.
Yeah.
Hey, you know this K and K, right? By now.
Yeah.
Why did I remove that? Note down slash and KO88 settlement. KO88. Uncheck, execute. Done. Correct? Now what should happen? My order should get 0, right?
Yes.
Zero. Settled. Now all this value should come where? To the cost center, right?
Yes.
It will be the same scenario. So next scenario I'll move little faster on pace on this. Got?
Right.
If I've selected there as a 921, then I'll see only 921 here. Like this.
Right. Yeah.
Cost will be under 1. Okay. All right. So see you tomorrow from the AUC perspective, asset under construction, and then we'll look into budgeting also in that, where I'm trying to control the budget as well in that same AUC asset.
Okay.
Okay.
Pradeep, can you share the spreadsheet? And,
I'll share, man. I'll share definitely today.
and also documents, if there are any like
Controlling documents, I've shared it or no, CO?
No.
No,
Okay.
you haven't.
I'll share it today.
Okay. Okay.
All right, guys. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Aparna, Sarath not done today.
Sharath, no idea about him. I think nowadays he's busy in meetings. So,
Meeting.
yeah.
Yeah, his eagerness for the class has gone down pretty drastically. He was pretty eager when he started the course. Okay. All right. See you.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Tomorrow PC, Sharath.